This is my homepage of my website hosted on Render. In here, it shows the sign up as well as the login button and a generic message, hello world. We can go into Studio 3T, and this is my users collection with all of my different users. And if we go in sessions, it is empty because I'm currently not in any session. I can quickly sign up with a new user. So I'm gonna say Dan at test1.com, and password 123, and submit. This will redirect me to the members page where it will show a random image that is saved in the public folder. If we go back into Studio 3T, we can see that now there is an active session with this ID of MCKHS. And then if we check the cookies right here, you can see MCKHS, this ID is the same as it's being shown here, showing that it is the same session. And if we go in users and refresh, we can see that now the new user has been added. And you can also see that all of the passwords are hashed and not just in plain sight. I can now sign out of this account. And if I go back into Studio 3T and I go in sessions, refresh, you can see that there are no more sessions that are active. If I go back to the website and I type an email that is valid and a wrong password, it will give me a message that an email or password is incorrect, and it will prompt me to try again. We say either or just for safety measures. Now logging into the website with an actual email and password will redirect the user to the members page. We can also try and go to a page that does not exist. Let's just type out BCIT, and we will end up in this 404 page, indicating that the page was not found and prompting us to go back to the home page. Also on Studio 3T, if we go in sessions, you can see that the session created expires after 1 hour. It doesn't look like it is 1 hour because this timestamp is in UTC and we're currently in Pacific Standard Time. It's important to note going into the code that the expire time is set to be 1 hour in hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. And also all of these variables are set in my .env file. We can also see that in my get ignore right in the beginning, I have .env here. And if we go into the GitHub, we can also see that .env is nowhere to be found here, but it is here in VS Code with all of the variables being defined.